So this hobby, Optima Deluxe, it is deluxe on the inside. Outside it's a little under 7.5 metres. It's got a bike rack from the previous owners still installed for a couple of bikes on there. And a great amount of storage. When you've got this French bed set up in the corner, you can not only access it from the inside, but it's a nice sized door on the outside as well to use all of that space in there. That's your garage, that's your storage space. This one's here and it's right now. That's just under £50,000. 12 months road tax we pay for. There's a brand new engine service, brand new MOT, brand new habitation check. And even with all the price of fuel right now, we'll still put a full tank of fuel in and we'll also fill it full of gas. This is here and it's not going to be for very long. 49,995, that's the Hobby Optima. It's the T70H here at IH Motorhomes. So sat up in the front of our hobby, we've got the two seats on swivels, both captain's chairs with the double armrests, which is nice and comfy. We've got a little over 18,500 miles. Two more belts here means we can travel with four. This can make into a small bed for one, possibly two if they are small. And then we've got the French bed, which is the two berth behind you. Right across the back of this is a fantastic sized bathroom with a separate shower. It is the full width of the vehicle, which means when we're going away for a good time and for a long time, there's plenty of space to get comfortable, to get changed, to get ready and to get washed in. In the middle, simple kitchen setup with a couple of gas burners. It's got a small gas oven and grill in there as well. And Hobby even pop an extractor in this one for us. Good lighting detail right the way around. But this one is simple, this one is well looked after and hard wearing. The fabrics, the materials in here, they can take a beating. We've got the family in here and it will hold up. So on the coach built side, what you can see behind me is what we've got right now to take a look at. 4 belts, 2 belts, drop down beds and French beds. We're going to take a look in the hobby. But please take a look at our Bürstner write-up as well. That's the Bürstner sat on the Mercedes chassis. Auto box, big old shower in the back. Again, that French bed setup's coming and being really popular for us. Behind us, we've got the Eldis CV60. Now this is the one with the French bed at the back. 2 belts, 2 berth, full kitchen, full bathroom, and still at 6 metres on the Ducato. Let's take a look inside. So in the back of this CV60, this is what it's all about. We've got a adjustable French bed, which starts out as our lounging sofa. You can get a TV set up in here, nice bit of cabinetry and a bit of storage here. But this bed will then pull out and quite quickly will allow us 2 people comfortably and still space to get in and down the vehicle without having to annoy that person there. Simple kitchen, simple bathroom, under £50,000. This is on the manual box and it's the 140 brake horsepower. It's here and it's impressing us. The gates are open from 8:30 and through the week we're here till 5. On the weekends we're here from 10 until 4 on a Saturday. If you want to give us a call, if you've got any questions about the stock that you've seen, pick up the phone, speak to myself or one of my colleagues here. Have a look online at the write-ups. Or if you've got any ideas or options that you're looking for and you want to know if we've got something coming in that will suit your requirements, pick up the phone and give us a quick call. Coming in this week, a Scari from the Swift. That's that lovely compact, I like to call it a hybrid, where you've got the cab the same width as the coach built all the way down the back. Now this is 6 metres. Drop down bed comes down over 2 benches at the back. It's on a manual box. It's a 2025 and it's got about 3,000 miles on it. For all intensive purposes, guys, it's brand new. This is in at the end of the week. Following on from that, the Adria Supreme. This is the 640 and this is the SGX. That's the van conversion, or one of the van conversions that Adria do. That is a 2024 That's an auto box, and that's got 10,000 miles on it. Again, start listening to what we're saying. These are nearly new, and they're coming in to us here at IH. Chasson and the 640. 640, large drop-down double bed over benches facing each other at the front. At the back, we've got a bathroom and a kitchen. That is Chasson, and that's the 640. It's a 2020 that we've got coming in, and it is also automatic. And the last but not least, we can't buy them quick enough from Pilot. It's the evidence van conversion range. We've got the V630, J and the V600 coming in. That's a 6 metre and a 6.3. Fixed beds at the back, 6 metres the transverse bed, and then the 6.3 metres is that longitudinal raised bed, large multifunctional garage. Things move up and down. We can put big and small items in there. These are fully loaded. They are brand new, and they are coming in here. If we don't sell them before they arrive, there's still going to be 1 or 2 to come and have a look at. They will be on the website. That's the Pilot evidence range. Brand new, automatics, 140 brake horsepower, lithium systems included, lots of solar, really full piece of kit. You've asked for it, so we've ordered them in. And that's with us all here at IH Motorhomes in Knottingley, West Yorkshire.